Okay, just waiting on the mechanic here. Stock rotors right now. Pretty soon this car will have drilled and slotted rotors and brand new brake pads. Mainly I need new brake pads, but while I'm at it, might as well put drilled and slotted rotors in this car. $70 for the drilled and slotted rotors and brake pads. $70 for labor. So $140. Now I have new pads, new rotors, and the car looks a little cooler. Big opening in the Abarth rims so you can see the rotors nicely. Now I have to get the back done. So yeah, now my brakes aren't gonna squeak. I didn't have to leave the house. I got my workout in. So for you youngsters, consider learning working on cars. Okay, here's a reminder video to the youngsters watching my channel. If you're watching my channel, you're already probably into cars, so you have an interest in it. Get into cars. Don't get yourself 100 grand in college debt and get a worthless degree that no one will hire you because you have a worthless degree. Learn a skill. If you're a regular to my channel, you saw that my Abarth got hit like a month ago. It wasn't my fault. The insurance paid for it. The other person's insurance paid for it. But here's the estimates. It did come out to about $490. The estimate was $483.92. Parts $5. That's it. But the labor $235. Paint labor $140. I mean, look at all these charges. The actual parts was $5. It was mostly labor, like $400 plus in labor and taxes. So right now my Abarth needs new brake pads. It's squeaking pretty bad right now, so instead of just brake pads, I went ahead and ordered some drilled and slotted rotors for it. And I don't have the time to do it right now. Super busy right now. I have a lot going on. So what I did was I hired a mobile mechanic. If you go on Yelp or Craigslist and type in mobile mechanic, you should find a few. There's a lot of choices where I live. I chose a high-rated one that wasn't busy on a Friday, and they're coming over right now in the next hour. $70 to install drilled and slotted rotors and new brake pads. So, you know, $70. That's a good deal, and I don't have to leave. They do it in your driveway. So that's something to think about. Be a mobile mechanic. Learn about cars. Like right now, it's just convenient for me to spend the $70.